My name is Shelly Mark, and I am a VA attorney with many years of experience. I am here to explain to you exactly how to apply for total disability based on unemployability benefits. You'll also hear us refer to this benefit as TDIU. That's just an abbreviation, but it's the exact same benefit. Veterans can apply for TDIU benefits in many different ways. You can apply online. You can apply by mail or by fax. You can also go into a VA office and you can apply for the benefit in person. You can apply online for TDIU benefits at va.gov. Anyone applying for TDIU benefits must complete the VA Form 21-8940. The VA will not process an application for TDIU benefits without that form. The form itself is a little bit lengthy and kind of confusing. The VA Form 8940 requires for you to provide a good bit of information on the form. A lot of the information is very basic, but there is a lot to it. So you're going to need to provide your social security number, your VA file number, and you're also going to need to provide your employment history. This is going to be your previous employers for the last 5 years of your employment. So for example, if you stop working in 2020, you're going to provide 5 years employment history prior to that date. So you would provide them from 2015 to 2020. You're also going to list your education, training, certificates before you became disabled. And then there's also a spot on the form that asks you if you had any additional training or certifications after you became disabled and unable to work. The form also asks the date of your disability. Really, what they're asking here is, when did your disability begin to impact your ability to work? They're also going to ask you for any treatment that you've had and any hospitalizations within the last 12 months. There is also a narrative section on, I think it's on page 3 or 4, don't quote me. It's at the top, and it asks you basically how your disabilities are preventing you from securing and maintaining substantially gainful employment. If you choose to apply for TDIU benefits by mail or by fax, you're simply going to print the VA Form 8940, complete it, and then submit it whichever way, by mail or by fax. Also, if you are planning to apply in person, this will be done at your local VA regional office. You can walk in, so you can just show up and walk in to fill out an application. However, our recommendation to you would be that you go ahead and make an appointment. It can be pretty lengthy, but there should be a field service operator there that can help you with the application itself. Regardless of how you decide to apply for the TDIU benefits, the most important thing is that you seek advice of an experienced VA disability attorney about the specifics of your case. Make sure that you're providing all of the information that they need, and make sure that you meet the other requirements for TDIU benefits to be granted. Thank you for watching this video on how to apply for TDIU benefits. Although I'm certain this is not the only question that you have about exactly how to apply for TDIU benefits and the benefit in general. Please click this video right here to learn about why your claim for TDIU benefits was denied.